In the Summer 21 release, a new rebate management integration with CPQ allows users to attach rebate programs to contracts, quotes, and sales agreements. Within the contract flow, actionable suggestions empower account teams to choose the right incentive program for each account. Users can view rebate benefits, tiers, and measure types at a glance, and dive deeper into the program's tiers and benefit structures without navigating away from the contract. Ensure account teams select the right program by filtering by measure type or other parameters. Then, add one or multiple rebate programs to the contract in a few clicks. Easily enter details like name, payout frequency, and start and end date. Now that rebates are attached to the contract, view program details from the Rebates tab of the contract object, side by side with other critical account and contract information. Attach rebate programs to contracts, quotes, and sales agreements as you prepare agreements and negotiate with customers, with the rebate management integration with CPQ, now in the Summer 21 release.